Hey, here we are with Jen Beasley, a friend of mine, a teacher at Hanger Hall, and she has a daughter on the trip. Jen, where are we right now?
We are at the ruins of Ollantaytambo.
What are you enjoying about this?
I am very much enjoying the depth of learning we're able to have with this trip about all of the ancient history into this rich land and history and the Incan people's connection to it. And it is a pretty amazing spot to
Yes,
be.
it is. Thank you, Jen. Hey, we're here at the Rupai Wasi School in the Sacred Valley in Peru, and this is my friend Fiona, who's a 7th grade Hanger Hall student. Fiona, what are we doing here? What is going on?
Well, all the people, all the kids are working together to paint a mural. Also inside, one of those activities like making bracelets and chests.
Yeah. And what do you like about it? Is it fun?
Yeah, I mean, everyone like working together to make like a piece of art.
Yeah, even because we can't speak the same language, right? But we're making the art. Cool. Thanks, Fiona. Have fun.
My name is Jamie Hammond. I'm from Asheville, North Carolina. Coming on this trip to Peru is like a dream come true. True Nature gave me this opportunity to come to Machu Picchu to experience all this spiritual energy, this amazing, historic, ancient place, to rejuvenate my spirit, to experience the culture, to connect with the people, and to connect with myself. I'm filled with gratitude for the opportunity.